It hurts me that a majority of people don't know that they can make free money by simply watching YouTube videos. Instead of just watching to pass time, why not try this method I'm about to share with you and start earning money by watching YouTube videos? People are making cool money, and the method I'm going to show is available in all countries across the world. It offers different payment options including PayPal, Bitcoin, and Payoneer among others. So, make sure to watch this video until the end to never miss a point. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description. Now, let's get straight into the video. The method I want to show you in this video is quite simple. You just need to create an account with the tool I'm about to show you. Visit YouTube to watch some videos to the end, and boom, you get paid, and again and again. Now, the first step is to go to the youtube.com website. I want you to search for any popular keyword of videos you like watching on YouTube. Say, for instance, you like watching gaming videos, all you'll do is search for a keyword that is popular in the gaming niche. For example, you can search for Fortnite or Minecraft. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's go with Fortnite because it's one of the most popular keywords in the gaming industry. Now, when you search Fortnite on the YouTube homepage, a list of episodes of the Fortnite game appears both live and recorded. In fact, you'll be surprised these videos hit tens of thousands of views each hour, which is good for us. With such popular videos, it's going to be easier for us to make decent money online with this method. Once you reach here, stop there and just leave the page as it is. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. Next step, we're moving to a website that will help us to get paid by just watching the YouTube videos you've just opened. What I want you to do here is to open another tab and open the shrinkme.io website. Look at their homepage and it reads shorten URL and earn money. That means that once you have an account with ShrinkMe, you can grab any URL or link and bring it to this website, and they'll shorten it for you absolutely free. And when anyone clicks on your shortened link, you earn money. As you can see just below this phrase is another tagline which reads, highest paying URL shortener. Join now and earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. That's so crazy. Just imagine $220 per 10,000 clicks or simply $22 per 1,000 views. That translates to $2.20 per 100 views. Keep watching as I'll be showing you exactly how you can make money easily with this method through watching YouTube videos. Maybe you're wondering why we've chosen this website among the many available URL shorteners on the market. Well, when you scroll down the page, you can easily get a glimpse of the core advantages of this website. The website is free to join. It pays the highest rates, and you can even cash out a minimum of $5 directly to your PayPal account or any other payment options you prefer that the website offers. So, what I want you to do here is to go ahead and sign up for an account at shrinkme.io. To do that, you'll go to the top of the homepage where you can see a menu. Click on the register button to allow you to create a free account with ShrinkMe. An online form pops up to allow you to fill in your personal information. Start by filling in your username, which must be unique. Proceed to enter your email address, then enter your password and retype the same password. You can now check the I'm not a robot box and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy before you can click on the register button to complete your account creation. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account by simply clicking on the Sign Up with Google button, which will redirect you to Google to log in, and voila, your account is now created. You can now log in and see what your dashboard looks like. You'll realize that the dashboard is nicely arranged to allow you to track your earnings. For instance, you can see the total views and the total earnings. And of course, on the left side of the screen, you can see a place to withdraw your earnings made from watching YouTube videos. Just leave the shrinkme.io dashboard open on that tab. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. Next on, go back to the YouTube page that you opened earlier on in the video. Go ahead and choose one of the popular videos from the list and open a new tab to start watching till the end. The trick is to watch the video from the start till the end while checking to know if it's a good video and nice to watch. If you find it interesting and fun to watch, that means other people will also find it fun and interesting to watch. Now, I want you to go ahead and copy the URL of that video you just finished watching. Go back to the Shrinkbee.io dashboard, and on the left side of the screen click on New Shorten Link. A new form pops up at the upper part of the page. Click where they say your URL, and paste the URL that you copied for that video. Then click on the Shorten button. This automatically gives you a shortened YouTube link which we're going to use to make money. And as we said, whenever someone clicks on the shortened YouTube link, we shall be able to earn. But we're not yet there. Just stick with me till the end, and I'll show you one more website, which will help you to earn easily on autopilot with this shortened YouTube link. Next on, open another page and visit the website called forums.pcgamer.com. This website will help us to put all the processes on autopilot so that we can get peace of mind as people watch the videos, enabling us to get paid passively. Now, this website is a community of gamers where you'll find virtually any topic about gaming being discussed. And as you can see from the homepage, all the common topics about gaming are nicely arranged here so that you can ask or get answers to your questions, plus other gaming-related discussions. Many people throng this website just to get their gaming concerns addressed. In fact, the PC Gamers website is one of the most popular gaming forums with over 20 million visits each month. Now, that's a crazy number, and you can be sure of getting thousands of clicks on your shortened YouTube link each day from all the people who visit this website. The fact that you're posting a gaming video and the people who visit the website are interested in gaming increases the chances of getting more clicks. Provided you choose a popular gaming video, there is no way people who love gaming will avoid that video link. And the more the people click on the link and watch the video, the more you get paid. So, how do you get started with forums.pcgamer.com? Well, all you need to do is to go to the home page, and at the upper part of the page, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and search for Fortnite. A list of posts related to Fortnite appears, and as you can see, people are posting every hour on this topic. But we aim to attract them to click on our shortened YouTube link. To achieve that, you only need to post current information about the Fortnite game and leave our shortened link there so that anyone who reads the news can click on the shortened link and we get paid. Just go to Google and search for Fortnite News to get any current information about Fortnite and open the news. You don't have to do anything, just copy the news article as it is into a new Word document, then copy the title of the video and paste it below the article. Also, copy the shortened link from Shrinkbee.io and paste it below the video title. You can now copy the whole article and paste it on forums.pcgamer.com to create a post. Now, anytime someone clicks to read the post and click on the shortened link, you earn automatically. If say you get 10,000 clicks in a day, you earn $220. That's absolutely insane, and you can repeat the process with other popular videos to get even more money. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the video, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on new ways to make money online. And if you like making money online, then make sure to check out the first link in the description.